In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use speech-to-speech on ElevenLabs step by step so you can turn your voice into another voice with just a few clicks. This is great if you want to create content faster, experiment with different voice styles, or make your audio sound more polished and professional without starting from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Speech to Speech. In some versions, you may see it labeled Voice Changer, but it's the same basic feature. This is the section where you can upload an existing recording or use your microphone to create a new one. Next, to choose how you want to bring in your audio. If you already have a file, click to upload your audio file from your computer. If you want to record directly, use the microphone option and speak clearly into your mic. Try to keep background noise low and speak at a steady pace because cleaner audio usually gives you better results. After that, select the voice you want to convert your speech into. ElevenLabs gives you different voice options, so take a moment to pick the one that matches the style you want. For example, you might want something more natural, more energetic, or more cinematic, depending on your project. Once you've selected the voice, you can fine-tune the output using the voice settings if they're available. These may include stability, similarity, and style, depending on the voice and the version you're using. Stability can help control how consistent the delivery sounds. Similarity can help keep the converted voice closer to the original character of the selected voice, and style can add more expression or personality. If you're not sure what to change, start with the default settings and then make small adjustments after testing. The goal is to improve the result without overdoing it. When everything looks good, click Generate to create the converted audio. ElevenLabs will process your input and produce the new voice version for you. This may take a few moments, so give it a second to finish. Once the audio is ready, use the preview option to listen through the result carefully. Check whether the pronunciation sounds natural, whether the pacing feels right, and whether the voice matches the tone you wanted. If it sounds good, go ahead and click Download to save the finished audio file to your device. If it doesn't sound quite right, you can go back, adjust the settings, or try a different voice and generate it again. And that's it. That's how to use speech-to-speech on ElevenLabs. It's a simple workflow. Open the feature, upload or record audio, choose a voice, adjust the settings, generate the result, then preview and download. Once you get the hang of it, you can use this tool to speed up your workflow and create much more flexible voice content. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.